I'll guide you through the 7 essential settings to permanently disable ads on your Android phone, from network-level blocking to stopping ghost apps from popping up over your screen. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app. Tap on Connections or Network and Internet and select More Connection Settings to find the Private DNS option. Select Private DNS Provider hostname and type in dns.adguard.com. Then hit Save. This instantly blocks banners and trackers across most websites and apps at the network level. Second, we need to lock down Google Chrome as it's the main gateway for intrusive ads. Open Chrome, tap the 3 dots in the top right and go to Settings. Scroll down to Site Settings and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Ensure this is toggled off so sites can't open new tabs without your permission. Third, stay within Site Settings and tap on Notifications. This is crucial. Many ads now masquerade as system alerts. Toggle notifications to Don't Allow or use quieter messaging. This prevents sites from sending those annoying "your phone is infected" or "click to win" alerts directly to your status bar. Fourth, go back one menu to Intrusive Ads and make sure it's set to Blocked. This uses Google's latest filter to kill off misleading ads that violate global standards. Fifth, go back to Settings, scroll down to Google, select All Services, and tap on Ads to find the Ads Privacy Dashboard. Disable Ad Topics, App Suggested Ads, and Ad Measurement. These are the triple threat that Google uses to track your interests and serve suggested ads inside your app drawer and settings. 6. Tap on Delete Advertising ID at the bottom of the ads menu. This wipes the slate clean so advertisers can't link your browsing history to your device. Lastly, go back to the Google menu and tap the 3-dot menu in the upper right to find Usage and Diagnostics. Toggle this off to stop your phone from sending constant background logs about your usage habits. To verify everything is working, visit a site like canyouBlockIt.com. If you see a clean, empty page where the banners used to be, your Android is now a permanent ad-free zone. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.